Mm. So let's go, guys. We are going to learn how to create the PostgreSQL database in the Azure. So first of all, we have to log in. We have to create a free tier account, or you can go with as well as the pay as you go service. So I will upload the separate video to how to create this free account. So just please refer later on it. So first we will search our Azure service called Postgres. Azure database for PostgreSQL server. Then just click on the create Azure database for PostgreSQL server. So here we have to configure our whole storage, the subscription type and resource. So before that, you have to create a resource group, or on the fly you can create here also. We will get the option to create the resource group. So whatever the billing is happening, so it will show for this particular resource. So once you have create all the things creation and done, and once you learn, just make sure that you have to delete the resource group to avoid the charges. If you have the free trial, then it's okay for 1 month. But uh, like if you are going for pay as you go and your learning has completed, just make sure that you are just deleting the resource group, or it will charge on daily basis or the monthly. So as I have the subscription, as a subscription, it's a free trial one. After the sign up for the free version of the Azure services, you also get. So I'm just selecting the subscription. Then I'm just selecting the my existing resource group which I have created. You can straightforward go ahead and create the new resource group as you want. So we'll give some server name. It's your name, like we can give anything. I'm giving just mm, uh, I'm giving just TPA DB test. So you can give anything. So you have to choose the reason which is near to you or which is having the less cost. So it is saying that it is not available. Like some services will be not available for the free. Like some regions are not available for free trial one. So what we can do is we'll just select UK South, or we can go and check one like which is getting less cost. So here I'm just selecting UK South. Uh, UK South. So let me check what is the cost monthly. So now it's showing $635 per month. But what we can do is for it is just a testing purpose, right? We'll not use the high configured things. So work type I'm just selecting a development because production will be having the more availability, so the cost will also more. Now you just see the cost has been reduced for $18 per month, and we are getting 1 core and 2 GB RAM and the 32 GB storage for our database. So next thing you have to select the PostgreSQL authentication only, like it's password. It's kind of the username and the password. So I'm giving just TPA user. You can give whatever you can give it. Just make sure that you are just noting it somewhere. Like we need this later on to log in and creating our data tables and databases. So password give on your own, which you can remind. It should be 8 character. We have to confirm the password as well. The rate 1 2 3 4 5. Then just click on networking. So make sure that it should be public access. So like for testing purpose, so will not get any authentication error or the firewall error, just for testing. And you have to make sure that it is also clicked. And click here also, like when you configure this database to your local Postgres, so it should be automatically detect. So just click on here, add current IP address. So for this particular database, your system IP will get attached. So when you try to configure this with your local system, so without any error, you can configure. So next, click on security, then keep at as it is. Just go for the tags, no need to give, review and create. Uh, just click on create here. So our deployment got initialized. It might take few times. I will crop this video and will directly jump to how we can take its strings, connection string and all. Uh, so deployment is in progress. It might take 2 to 3 minutes. We can see this still in progress. Yeah, so we can see our deployment has been completed. So we can click here, directly go to resource. So later on also, if you want to come, like you have to search here this Azure Postgres server, then whatever we have created right now will be visible here. So once we come into our resource, we have here many options: connect, delete, reset password, and stop these database services and all. But for now, we'll check how we can connect this DB to our local Postgres. So we can create the table here, so it will automatically get inserted to this cloud-based server. So we have to click the connect. So here we'll get the credential to connect with the local. So we have the host name, username, then port, and the database and the password which you have been set while creating this resource. So I'll go to now. You have to install this Postgres pgAdmin and the workbench for it. I will upload the video later on, like how to install this pgAdmin in our local, or you can refer any other resource on the YouTube as well. So let's jump. Once you log into the pgAdmin, so you'll directly jump to on this page. So what we can do is, uh, say, so you have to go to the dashboard and add new server. So name you can give your any name like db test you can give. Then connection. So here it will ask the host name and the address. So you just copy this here, only this much. So just copy and paste it here. And the port is same. No, do not change anything for the port. So just ignore the maintenance database, and the username is TPA user. So it's a TPA in the sense like just give the test user, like just kind of thing. So just take TPA user, copy and paste here. And then password you can give anything. Sorry, password is like something you have given while creating the DB. And that's all. Then you have to save this. So now it got configured with our local. Then you have to click here on the DB test. So after DB test, you have to click on this Postgres, then schemas, then under schemas, then public. Under public, you will get tables. If you click here in drop down, you can't see any table, right? Either you can go here and do query tool and write some simple table statement to create the table. Let me do that as well, just to showcase. mm, uh, Simple table creation in Postgres. So just I'm referring WG school. So create table, just taking this command and just pasting here, select, click on run. Now table got created here. Okay, so let me refresh. see car table got created. Now if I do the select star from cars, give semicolon, then run the brand and model. The database data table is empty. We haven't inserted any values. Like it might be there to insert anything. Let me check. Yeah. So here is some insert command is there. Insert into table name. You have to give the it is a positional insert. We call it is a positional insert. So cast and brand value model and value should be for the brand model is a Mustang. Then here is an 964. Just copy this and paste it here. So select, you have to select and run whatever you want to run. You have to select before click on it. So query is successful run. Let me run this select command once again. uh, Now you can see brand is Ford. Now one rows got inserted, right? So when you are doing everything, this has connected to the our Azure. So whatever you do, it is going on our cloud based DB. Okay, so this is an example. You can do it. That's all. Thank you. One more thing, guys. Like before wind up this video, I want to tell like if you want to verify does your the table got successfully came into the Azure server, so you just click on the setting and go click on the database on your resource. So you can see this page actually, and just click on the connect. So once click you here, like it might ask you for the password for the user. So whatever your password set, just give that password. Uh, and just after giving the password won't show here while typing. Don't be get confused. Just click on enter. So here now you can just type a command. Select star from whatever table you have created from class. So just give semicolon. You can write other queries also to say to show the tables, like show tables. So it can show the how many tables you got created in a day. Just click enter. Yeah, now we can see this same table I was fetching here. So that means we have successfully created this Azure resource. Then we have connected it from local, and we have pushed or we have created this from the just graphical interface of the pgAdmin, and we have just inserted this table. So this how we can do this. Yeah, thank you so much. Do like, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.